dorm room. I live in Crosby Hall, which is a traditional room. And so here we go. Here's my roommate, Katie. Say hello, Katie.
Hello, Katie.
Okay, so now we're gonna take a look around the room. First of all, welcome to the crib. Okay, so what are the most important parts of the room? Well,
beds?
first, desk. A good amount of space on it. You could personalize it. We'll look at the closets. Honestly, pretty spacious, but it keeps getting fuller and fuller. But that's okay.
Shopping in Oxford is so good.
It is so good. Okay, now we're gonna look at the beds. I highly recommend putting your storage under the beds if you have lots of clothes. Beds, you could decorate the walls. See, here we go. So I live in a traditional dorm, which everyone's like, oh my gosh, traditional. It's really not that bad, I promise. Let me do the bathroom. I'm gonna make sure no one's in there first. And we're good. Okay. Live from Katie's bed. Okay. Tips for the dorm room. First tip that comes to mind, don't over decorate.
Don't over decorate. You don't need all of the things.
If you're thinking about going to Ole Miss and you're on one of the Ole Miss pages, you know a lot of people here like to really decorate their dorm room. But reality is you're gonna move out in like
9 months.
9 months and you're gonna
It's a baby. You don't need to spoil it.
what you move in,
don't.
you have to move out and maintain. So we like to keep it cozy in here. That's tip 1. Tip 2,
Have blankets.
I get kind of hot, but it's fun to have blankets.
I like to have my blankets. I have options because when I get too hot, I don't have to use my
Layers.
comforter. I use my blanket.
Tip 3, I thought of it, then I forgot. Tip 3, clean your room and keep it clean. We make our beds every day.
Yes, we do, and it makes all the difference.
A lot of
And you
difference.
don't leave stuff on the floor
Don't leave
because
stuff on the floor.
it will never leave. Ever. Making your bed every day is also just, it's a good habit to be in because
Yeah,
it
a way to
forces you
start
to get
your
out
day.
of bed. And then you don't get back
Just keep
into it.
everything clean. Keep the fridge clean. Keep your desk clean. Because this is your house. This tiny square room for 9 months, so make it
Take
livable.
good care of it.
Any more tips?
Take out your trash.
Take out your trash. Basically, just keep it together. One extra special short clip. Have snacks, but healthy snacks. For example, here we have a granola drawer. She's my pride and joy, along with my plant Shatrissa. She's thriving in a coconut LaCroix can. So, whatever you need to keep your room livable, do just that.